The set interface defined within the Java collections framework defines a collection of unique elements. In this video, we are going to learn about the hash set. The set interface supports methods for adding, removing elements as well as questioning if a set contains an element. So hash set type is an abstract data type implemented as a generic class that supports different types of elements. So the hash set can be declared and created like this. Here the hash set object name is own books. The syntax is like this. In this format, you need to create the hash set object. Then for implementing the hash set, we need to import this java.util.hashset library. And let's move on with our methods inside the hash set. So here our methods are add method. In the add method, we can add an item. We are also going to see the remove method to remove an item, and again another one method contains to check if the item exists within a set or not. Actually, there is another one additional point about the add method, that it does not add duplicate elements to a set. So if a programmer tries to add a duplicate element, this method will fail and it will return false. Otherwise, the add method will return true. Likewise, the remove method in the hash set, it only removes element that exist within the set. If the element does not exist, the remove method removes the element and it returns true. Otherwise, the remove method will return false. These are the basic implementations of the methods. Let me run the program. I ran it already. So first we are going to add this element, a tale of two cities string element, and then adding the Lord of the Rings. Okay, so now we are trying to check whether these elements have been added to the hash set or not. So the contains method will return those messages. That contains a tale of two cities. If it actually contains the tale of two cities, as it has already been added, so that's why it is returning true. So now after adding the Lord of the Rings, we are trying to remove it. So it's already been removed, and here I'm going to check again whether it contains the Lord of the Rings or not using the own book hash set object. So as it has already been removed, that's why it is returning false over here. In hash set, we do have another one methods to return the size, that are the number of elements present in the set with having all these examples over here, and that's all about hash set.